how to create a new Galaxy avatar profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here scroll down and you will see Galaxy Avatar is here, so click on Galaxy Avatar. So if you want to create a new Galaxy, so click on this plus icon. So you will select from here. So after selecting, click on this tick icon. So after loading, so you will see, you will select hairstyle from here. So select hairstyle from here and after select hairstyle, click on this icon. So you will select from here, from this. So after selecting and click on face, so you will select face shape from here. So after select face shape and click on, so you will and select eyebrow from here. And select eyelines from here and click. So you will select nose from here. So after select nose, click on lips. So you will select lips from here and select ears from here. So you will, after selecting, click on save. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can create a new Galaxy avatar profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.